Hey, it's Joseph Gonzales, your real estate agent for the Austin area and the suburbs surrounding the greater Austin area. And what we're doing today is visiting the Crosswinds neighborhood of Kyle, Texas, and specifically taking a look at Milestone Community Builders model home called the Conchos. Now, this home is a little bit larger than the previous home that we toured by them, but for all the details in regards to how big this house is, the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, how many garages, number of stories, that'll be down in the title or the description of this video. So if this is your first time here, we want to welcome you. My partner Justin and I upload content every single week to make sure that we're helping buyers relocate to Austin and the greater suburbs surrounding the Austin area. So if you need to know anything about where to eat, sleep, have fun, listen to live music, we are your guy. So hit us up morning, noon, or night. We want to make sure we are that resource for you. With that being said, if you're returning, make sure you drop a comment down below. Let us know what neighborhoods that you're interested in taking a look at, because we want to make sure that we go out there and tour homes and neighborhoods that you're most interested in. Now, with all that being said, again, make sure you shoot us an email, text us if you're looking to buy or sell or relocate here in Austin. Now go ahead and enjoy the tour. Here we go. We're taking a look at the Conchos floor plan by Milestone Community Builders here in the Crosswinds neighborhood of Kyle, Texas. This home starts at $429,000 and it comes with 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and has an option for a 2 or 3 car garage, and has a total of 2,434 square feet. Go ahead and enjoy the tour, and we'll see you at the end. So how did Milestone Community Builders do with their model home called the Conchos? Did they do enough to make you want to move out to the Crosswinds neighborhood of Kyle, Texas? If so, we'd love to be a resource for you. We've built a great relationship with Milestone, and we know we can get you access to incentives and deals that may not be advertised to the public. But in order for us to do that, you have to reach out to us via text message, email, phone call, whatever is easiest for you. Now, with all that being said, we hope you enjoyed this tour. We hope you have a great day. And if you did enjoy this, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out our next video.